ka pa mag-vlog. Mabubusog ka. Mukbang pala to.
Oh no!
Tandang-tanda ko pa when I was a kid, happy na kami or swerte na kami kapag adobo ang ulam. Ngayon, syempre, umaabot to ng kinabukasan or the following day, mga tira-tira, leftovers, no? Pero syempre, nagsasawa naman din kami na puro adobo na lang din. So, let's cook 4 ways adobo rice. Hi mga kabigis! So for today, we will be making 4 ways adobo rice. Okay, our first rice would be the classic adobo rice, no? So from the leftover adobo, igigisa lang natin siya or isasangag lang natin siya with the rice. So that's our base. For our second adobo rice, haluan natin siya ng Japanese mayo for the Japanese flavor and konting cheese para mas creamy siya. Our third adobo rice is the crunchy one naman. So, gagawa tayo ng parang omelette of rice and then, pa-crunchy natin siya hanggang sa magkaroon siya ng crust around, no? And then, ita-toppings natin siya with adobo flakes. Our fourth one is a Mexican classic burrito adobo rice, which ibabalot naman natin sa tortilla wrappers. Okay, simulan na natin! We'll start with a little bit of oil. Pinipisil to. Kaya maganda. And then, lumaki ako na kapag nagsasangag kami ng kanin, inuuna namin yung bawang. But, I just found out na inuuna pala talaga ang kanin at sinasangag to ng gusto, then to follow na lang ang bawang. So, we'll start with your day-old rice. Kuha lang tayo ng spatula. Okay? Buhos lang. Sangag lang natin siya hanggang sa matusta. Hanggang sa mabalutan lang ng oil yung kaning lamig natin or yung ating day-old rice. Yan, durug-durugin lang. A good fried rice is walang buo-buo, no? So, dapat durug na durug siya. And of course, dapat piliin nyo din yung kind of rice na isasangag nyo. Dapat yung mabuwaghag, huwag yung malagkit. So, just let it fry ng bahagya. So, this technique of frying your rice or doing a fried rice is nakuha ko pa sa lola ko. So, dapat daw inuuna yung rice para mawala yung moisture siguro, no? Tsaka para mabuwaghag yung maigi. Kasi once you put elements here or other ingredients, magmo-moist siya na magmo-moist. So, lalagkit yung rice. Tapos, just make a well at the center. Then, dagdag tayo ng oil. Then, lagay tayo ng garlic. Then, fry lang natin. Hanggang sa mga moy. This way also is to prevent you from the talsik ng mantika, no? Yan. So, nangangamoy na siya. So, if you can just smell, no? Sobrang bango niya. So, hinaan lang natin ng apoy, then let it cook lang. Then, while that is cooking, mag-shred tayo ng leftover adobo. So, my hands are clean naman po, no? So, leftover, shred lang natin siya. Yan, okay lang na may mga chunks ng konti para makita natin sa ano. And it's good din na may kasamang mga taba-taba. So, this is chicken pork adobo. So, haluan din natin ng chicken, no? So, protein pack na rin siya, kumbaga. So, this will be our base, no? This classic adobo rice. For the rest of adobo recipes, adobo rice recipes that we're going to make today. Ayan. So, meaning may flavor na ng adobo yan. Ile-level up na lang natin siya with the other ingredients. Definitely, sasamahan natin to ng sauce, ng adobo, para mas flavorful siya. Yan, siguro enough na to. Let's clean lang our working area. Okay, so, going back to our fried rice, garlic fried rice. Right now, garlic fried rice pa lang siya, no? We can now add in our shredded adobo meat. Yeah, then let's just mix. Let the flavor blend lang all together. Yan, durug-durugin lang natin ng konti yan. And then for flavor, for additional flavor, this is the sauce, no, of the adobo rice. Tapos haluin lang natin. So basically, parang ito lang yung nagsasaid ka ng kaldero ng adobo. Tapos papaikutan mo lang ng kanin. Parang ganun lang naman to. Pero syempre, i-level up natin. Kaya natin ginagawang 4 ways. Para kahit paano may options ka. In terms of flavor profile, preference, para hindi nakakasawa. Pero ako, happy na rin ako sa pinapaikot na kanin na tira-tirang adobo sa... Ayan. O, di ba? Ganda na. Tapos, lutuin lang natin ng konti. Di ba? Yan. Yan. It's good din na may mga nagtututong-tutong na kanin, no? We love that. Gusto natin yung may browning ng konti. Para hindi boring ang adobo na leftover. Na tira-tira lang. Pasarapin natin lalo. Gusto ko yung may mga taba-taba. Lasang malasa yan. And we're done. We're done for the classic adobo fried rice. So that's our first adobo fried rice. Now for our second adobo fried rice, let's get a portion lang. And then, drizzle natin ng cheese. Then mix. Now when you see that the cheese is melting, so it's a mix of mozzarella and cheddar, no? So kapag nakikita nyo ng, ayan, no? Pag may melt na, nagkakaroon na ng strings, okay na yan. Patayin ng apoy, then plate. O, diba? Ang dali lang. Let's add more cheese para mas masarap. And drizzle with your favorite Japanese mayo. Yun. This is our second adobo fried rice. Okay, now for the third adobo fried rice, we'll beat the egg. We'll beat 1 egg. Yan. Yan. Konting pepper. And then konting salt. Beat again. Mix ulit natin. And a portion again of our ready-made adobo fried rice. Mix lang natin maigi. And then ihanda na natin yung pan. High heat ulit. Then a little bit of oil. And then, i-layer lang natin siya and make sure na it's thin para lumutong siya. So, yung egg will serve as a binder, no, of the rice para hindi siya maghiwa-hiwalay or ma-achieve natin yung crunchy edges niya. Yun yung roll ng egg. So, let it cook lang. Yung crunchy na yan, no? Then, do the same sa kabilang side. Do the same on the other side of the... You may call this an omelette, no? Pero, yeah. So, yung crust niyan, so flavorful. Okay, I think this is done. Pwede na yan. And get our plate. And slide in nyo lang, no? Okay lang kahit nagbe-break-break yan. It's essential also na gamit kayo ng non-stick, no? Para madalian kayo sa pag-lift off ng dish. So, we will add more adobo flakes, no? On top of the third adobo fried rice. Yeah. There. Hugas lang tayo ulit ng kamay. That's our third adobo fried rice. Now for our last, so wrapping naman tayo. We'll get one tortilla wrapper and just lay flat sa ating chopping board. Lay it flat. And then, lagay lang natin yung natitira nating adobo fried rice. Classic adobo fried rice. And then, let's add in some tomatoes. Ayan. For that additional crunch and freshness. O, diba? Mga garong-garong pa. And onions. So, we're adding our onions. And cilantro. Lagay lang natin. And we're ready to wrap. Ayan. Tuck in nyo lang maigi so that hindi lalabas ang filling. And habang mainit ang mantika natin, ayan, spread it around. So same pan lang, no? One pan lang ang gamit natin for everything. Hindi siya maaksaya or hindi kayo magkakaroon ng madaming ligpitin for these recipes. 4 na recipes to, no? In one vlog or in one dish. One leftover, which is adobo. So, madami kayong magagawa na dishes. So, tingnan lang natin. So, once na mag-brown siya, meaning sealed na yon, no? Sinisil lang natin and hinihit lang natin siya all throughout. And we're good. Browning on all sides lang naman ang need natin. And we're ready to plate. Ayan. Palamigin lang natin ng konti. Rest lang natin. While this is resting, let's make the guacamole. Pero, salted egg is the new guac for this dish, no? So, pengin nila akong bowl. So, this is the bowl. We'll add in our salted egg. So, mash lang natin siya ng konti. Pero gusto ko yung may konting chunks pa rin of the salted egg. Para lang din may bite pa siya. Then, onions. Flat na natin yan. Then, tomatoes. Then, mix. And we add in a little bit of mayo lang to bind all ingredients together. And that's it. So, we'll just plate this, no? In a ramekin. Masarap to kung isa-serve nyo pa ng mas malamig, no? Pero, yeah, this is ready. And we're ready to plate. We'll just garnish this with a little bit of cilantro leaves and that's it. So, this is our salted egg guac. This is our plate. Cut lang natin. In 1, 2, 3. There. Parang butter lang. And there you have it, our 4 ways adobo rice. Okay, so tikman na natin, no? Start tayo with the classic. Siyempre, alam na natin yung lasa nito, technically. So, dapat nandun yung soy sauce, nandun yung chunkiness ng mga meat. Classic. Stop. The second adobo rice is the creamy one. Sorry. Kumakain pa. Pasensya na. Tingnan natin. Iba. Tumaas yung level, in fairness. Itong crunchy-crunchy. Ayun, no? Narinig niyo ba yun? Crunchy. And tikim. Okay. Iba yung texture. May lutong. May umami coming from the adobo. Very nice. And the last one. Ako, ang laki nito. Lagyan natin ng salted egg guac. Dito lang. And bite. Ang sarap nito. In fairness, kaapat. Teka lang. Hindi ako makapagsalita. Ang hirap pala nito, no? Ang hirap pala mag-vlog. Mabubusog ka. Mukbang pala to. Paano yung walang vlog, mukbang agad. Pero of all the four, pinaka-bet ko to. Sobrang sarap nito. Try nyo, guys. So, guys, if you feel that these recipes can relate to you, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you, mga kabigis!